The process to begin with, so that it brings benefit to the community, firstly, we need a better reform in the system. The issue about tenure need to be addressed. In Liberia, there is a Land Rights Act that is before the parliament. That part is very progressive. It was participatory, and civil society communities were part of that, the design and the drafting of that act. We think that act needs to be passed. We set the basis. That would be to begin with. And then communities in which agro businesses are intending to go should respect their rights. The whole idea about free, prior, and informed consent should be a key factor, a key way for communities to actively participate. Free, prior, and informed consent to work in practice means that there need to be a third party that will make community to adequately understand what is free, prior, and informed consent. What is happening now in Liberia is that it is the concessionaires that is interpreting free, prior, and informed consent to the people. And in most instances, if not all, they see free, prior, and informed consent as community members coming to their core meetings. And that is not free, prior, and informed consent. So it needs to be done by a third party with legal advice, legal and support to communities so that they are able to adequately understand the implications, and then based on that, they can make their informed decisions. The third party that will be very essential will be independent people. They could be consultant agencies, they could be civil society organizations, they could be mediators that both the government and the communities can agree on. They have to be people that are development-oriented workers, people who understand the process of facilitating, people who understand the process of mobilizing communities so that they are able to reach a conclusive decision, so that there is no conflict of interest, so there is not that confusion when that decision is made. For example, I'll give you an instance right now. There is a community in Golden Liberian area called Blockbote. The Blockbote people have two different thoughts, simply because the company have dealt with one group of people who say, oh yes, the company is good. And there's another side of the community who say, no, the company has not consulted with us properly. So we need a third party that can mediate that kind of processes and bring the community together, mobilize and organize them first, reach a conclusiveness with them before they can discuss, move forward with the company. I think that is a useful way to go in dealing with the situation in Liberia.